Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Tech AI. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to select the artwork size in Wombo Dream. Now let us begin. Well, do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. It's quite easy. In case you don't know how to, worry not. We have created a video regarding that as well. Now let's simply look at how to select the artwork size. Well, to do that, what you guys have to do is simply click on this plus button right here, which will lead you to create. I'm gonna click on it. And from here guys, as you can see, you can simply enter your prompt, look at your prompt history, choose an art style, and the thing we are looking for, choose the artwork size. Well, as you can see, there are multiple options available. Simply select whatever you wish, but do note that selecting some might need you to be subscribed to Wombo Dream Premium. And guys, that is it. These are the available artwork sizes. Simply select from whatever you wish. That's about it guys. That's how you select an artwork size in Wombo Dream. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.